Rule 1, apostrophe s. With the addition of apostrophe s, or sometimes just the apostrophe, a noun can change from a simple person, place, or thing, to a person, place, or thing, that owns something. Jane has a hat. Jane's hat is red.
Ivan has a hat. Ivan's hat is yellow.
Bert has a car. Bert's car is new.
Beth has long hair. Beth's hair is gray.
The king's wife is pretty.
Meg has a dog. Meg's dog is brown.
The magician's hat is black.
Ross has a uniform. Ross' uniform is black.
The Jones house is old.
Bill's tie is red.
Rule 2, use of, as a preposition, usually between two nouns, to show possession, belonging or origin. He is the president of Ukraine.
The color of his hat is white.
It's a kilo of meat.
It's a cup of coffee.
It's a sack of apple.
The ball is on the corner of the field.
It's the face of an eagle.
It's 10th of June.
The door of the house is blue.
It's 5 of 2.